Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will explore two very important SQL constraints, the not null and unique constraint. These are like the basic rule that every database must follow to keep data clean and organized. Let's understand them with example and real life stories. So let's start with the not null. So firstly, we will talk about the not null constraint. By default, if you don't give a value to column, SQL allows a null, which means empty. But some fields are mandatory. They can never be left blank. That's where the not null comes into the picture. So suppose imagine you are filling out a school admission form. Can you leave a student name blank? No. Similarly, in hospital, a patient name and date of birth are always required. So that's exactly what not null is in a database. So here, when you are creating a table, so you want to add the employee ID integer with not null and employee name with the not null. So here, into the creation of employee table, I just gave the employee ID as a not null, EMP name as a not null and department. So when I am going to insert the value into it, so it must need a value to the employee ID and employee name column. So you will consider some real life use cases like a student roll number must not be empty and employee ID is always required. In a bank account, the account numbers can't be null. So, in the recap, not null mandatory fields, no blanks are allowed. The second type is unique constraints. This ensures that no two rows in a table have the same values for that column. In a simple words, no duplicates are allowed. So think about your Aadhaar card number. Can two people have the same Aadhaar number? No, it's impossible. Or imagine in your school students, two students with the same roll number during exam, the teachers won't know who is who. So that's why SQL has the unique key constraint. So when I am creating a student table, so ensuring the student ID, unique constraint and email as well, unique constraint. So when I am going to insert some values into the student ID or email, so it won't be allowed duplicate values or duplicate row to the table. So to consider some real life use cases, every email ID in Gmail must be unique, every car number plate is unique, every Aadhaar number or passport number is unique. And you can recap the summary like the unique, no duplicates, every value must be one of a kind. So here's some quick comparison about this not null and unique key constraints that not null makes sure the field is never empty and unique makes sure the fields never has duplicate. So as we previously discussed that you can consider the examples in the school like a student name cannot be null, student roll number must be unique. So friends, that was all about not null and unique key constraint in SQL. So always remember that not null, it's must be mandatory field. Unique, it's not allowed the duplicates. These two are the foundation of the data integrity in SQL. In my next video, I will explore the primary key, which is actually a combination of both not null and unique. So don't miss it. If you found this video more helpful, so do hit like, share, subscribe button and see you in the next session. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing SQL. Thank you.